Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an animated party flyer video in CapCut PC. I'll just select this frame ratio here, and I might also use this later, so I'll just put that to the side as like an overlay. And then going to select this video. I'm just going to also select remove background on that, and I'll try to like match the video as I possibly can with the background. So I'm just going to adjust the saturation and etc. Like so. And then I'm going to add in an animation to that. I'll add in like a slide in animation. Maybe like a slide up or something. Where is that? Oh, here it is. Just adjust the duration on that. And then I'll add this on top, and maybe I'll blend it in with the video. You can do anything you want for this, of course. Maybe soft light. There we go. Maybe this is a little bit better. And I'm just going to put that to the right side like that. I think I'm also going to mask it a little bit. And then I'm going to add in a text here, and then you're going to just type in, like, maybe this is like a silent Discord, okay. And you're just going to select any font that you want for that. I'll just use this one, and I'm going to change the color to this, maybe to this green one, and I'll add in a glow as well to it. Just be creative with your text here. I might do it on this one because you can't really see that. And maybe like add in an animation to that as well. Like that. And then you're going to add more text, like the details, like the time and the date and the location as well. And again, choose like a funky font. Time, maybe like 9 p.m. Then the date, like third of like July. Then the location is at this club or something like that. Just type in what you want to type. Of course, this is just an example. Place it down here. Just add this on top. And you're also going to add in like an animation as well. For instance, you want to add this in a little bit later, you can do that. Like that. Don't forget to add in music, stickers, and more animations if you'd like to, but that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.